Top 20 ways to make any girl fall in love with you. Do you want to make your dream girl fall in love with you? Here are a few ways that can help you make any girl fall in love with you. Winning the girl of your dreams. Winning over a girl's heart is not an easy task. It is complicated because the truth is they never really know what they want. They might seem to have everything figured out, but truly they are lost. Not all the girls, of course, just a few, like me. Love is all about being spontaneous, and that love can never be forced. It is believed that it happens miraculously when the perfect dream guy is around. What if I told you that there is a secret list of qualities for the perfect lover boy every girl dreams of? If you are desperately in love and want the girl of your dreams to love you back, there are a few ways you can gain her interest. Always remember to be honest even when you are trying to make your dream girl fall in love with you. You can make a few changes about who you are because love is all about making sacrifices and compromises for your loved one. Here are the top 20 ways that can help you to make your girl fall in love with you. 1. Be well groomed. The first impression is the best impression. The first thing your dream girl will notice about you is your physical appearance. Being physically well groomed says a lot about yourself. Nobody wants to be in love with a shabby or a messy person. Make sure your everyday clothing makes you look perfect. Have a sense of style. Always have a tidy and a pleasing appearance when you are around her. Make sure you smell good. This is all it takes to get her attention. 2. Be a funny guy to make her fall in love. Girls always love being around guys who are funny. The way to a girl's heart is through laughter. If you can humor her, and if she thinks you are a funny guy, you are already one step closer to getting the girl. Please don't try too hard to humor her. If it doesn't work naturally for you, it just makes things awkward. Share a good laugh with her when something really funny happens. It is always good to have company and to know that someone enjoys laughing as much as she does. Try to make her laugh when she is really sad or during her awful times. Nothing makes your girl fall in love with you more than making her laugh when she never dreamed she would. 3. Compliment the girl to make her fall in love with you. Compliment her on her looks, style, her smartness, or for how awesome she is. There is no harm in complimenting the girl of your dreams. Don't shy away. Be sincere and real when you compliment. Don't over-compliment because it might look weird and a little too obvious that you are into her. 4. Know your girl's interest. It is good to know the interests of your dream girl when you are trying to get into a relationship with her. Know what she is good at, her passion, her likes, and dislikes. If you find that you have same everyday interests, you are in luck. Share your ideas and views, have a good conversation with her about your everyday interests. Make her aware that you have so much in common. Sometimes, it is really surprising when you find that you share no mutual interests with your special lady. Try to develop an interest towards her interests. There is no harm in getting to know and like new stuff. Spend some time with her doing things that she likes. This gives you a chance to get closer to her and to know her better. Remember, life gets even more exciting when you drift away from your everyday life and try new things. 5. Be a good listener to make her fall in love. To communicate better, you need to be a good listener. Be an active listener, which means listen and respond to what she has to say. Being a good listener is not an easy task. But when you are a good listener, it speaks a lot about you. It shows her that you care about her. It makes her feel special when you are all ears with her. Make her feel comfortable around you. Pay attention even to the small details, as girls do care about them a lot. It will just let her know that you care for her and her needs. The simple, everyday things she desires can be clearly understood only when you listen to her conversation. It is a way of telling her that you adore her. 6. Maintain eye contact with your girl. Having eye contact with a girl is very powerful. It shows her that you are very attentive and you care for her. It is a way of staying connected with her as you get to know her emotions. Eyes never lie, so when you look into her eyes, it means you are actually looking through the window to her heart. It is a way of getting an intimate bond with her. Making eye contact with her truly means that you are giving your undivided attention, and that is a great way to win her over. 7. Be the most reliable guy in her life. Girls are mostly interested in guys who are dependable. To make the love of your life fall in love with you, make sure you are the most reliable guy she has ever met. Make her feel that you will be there for her at all times, especially when she is broke. Gain her trust by helping her through her hardships, and make sure she feels loved even when she is not feeling affectionate. This is a kind of reliability girls look for, and it is one of the qualities for their perfect dream boy. 8. To make her fall in love with you, be ambitious. Girls fall in love with guys who are ambitious. Dream big, but don't just be a dreamer, be an achiever. Always remember the saying, your actions speak louder than words. When you are ambitious in a relationship, you motivate her, inspire her to grow as well. Girls love to feel inspired. Determination is a key factor that women can never resist in men. 9. Be the most interesting guy, and she will fall in love. Be the kind of guy who loves his life and enjoys living it. Girls will fall in love with guys who are always positive and having fun with their everyday lives, even when their worst nightmares come true. Think outside the box and you will definitely seem interesting. Girls love being around fascinating guys. If you are an interesting guy by nature, chances of your dear one falling in love with you are high. Surprise her, this is also a way to get to her heart. Take her on romantic dates. Think of something new, it doesn't always have to be big, just a small gesture of love would do. Nothing will make a girl fall in love with you more than showing her that she is your first priority in your relationship. 10. Give your girl her personal space. Personal space plays a vital role as it helps her to keep in touch with her own identity. Give her the space she needs in the relationship. If you want your relationship with her to be a happy one, respect her personal space and give her some privacy. Remember that she needs friends outside of your relationship. Respect that, and give her some alone time with her friends. Value her space and she will not be far from falling in love with you. 11. Treat your dream girl as your equal. Share your thoughts and feelings with her. Make her feel comfortable in sharing her emotions and thoughts as well. Never judge her for what she was or what she did. Just keep your thoughts open. Always ask her for her opinion, this makes her feel worthy. Be realistic. There is no future in any relationship if you are not willing to make any compromises. Compromise is the key to any successful relationship. So, if you are dreaming to start a perfect relationship with her, be ready to make simple compromises. 12. Make her feel special. Everybody loves to feel special. This is especially true when you are trying to make your lover girl fall in love with you. Make sure you treat her right. To make your girl fall in love with you, make her feel that she is the most special girl in your life. Respect her individuality and appreciate her uniqueness, this will make her feel special. Spend time with her, text her just because you want to, treat her in such a way that she feels like a princess, remember her important dates, and notice even the little changes in her. These are a few ways in which you can make her feel special. 13. Be supportive to make her fall in love. Be there for her, even when other people let her down. Speak up for her, nothing makes a woman fall in love with a guy who stands up for her. Be honest and show commitment when you support her. Appreciate her dreams and try to help her achieve them. Motivate her, inspire her when she has hit rock bottom. Help her to bring out the best in her even when she feels broken. No girl can resist falling in love with you when you possess this quality. 14. Be playful. When it comes to a relationship, being playful is very important. Playfulness brings your relations closer. You can only be playful around people you love. So be playful when she is around you, it will send her a message that you love having her around. Tease her for fun, but don't hurt her. Being playful around her makes her be less serious even when she is facing critical situations in life. This creates a stress-free environment for her. So make her feel very much alive even when reality is hard to her. Playfulness makes her feel safe in her comfort zone. It lightens up things in a relationship, and it can help you bring closer to each other. 15. Don't be available too much. Making yourself too available for her might not help her realize the importance of you, rather, it might keep bugging her. Be there for her when she needs you. But to be around her all the time, she will never get the time to realize what she has and will never miss you. Remember, to fall in love with you, she has to miss you sometimes. Being too many available sets high expectations in any relationship. She might expect you to be available all the time, when sometimes it might get a little difficult to go out of your way, so be practical. 16. Gain her trust. Trust is the basis for love. If there is no trust, it is difficult to fall in love. Build her trust, share your feelings with her, and help her see and understand the true you. This way, she can get to know your true heart and understand your feelings. Admit when you are wrong. It takes a brave heart to admit that you were wrong. Be courageous and accept the truth. Owning up to our mistakes is not a quality everybody possesses, but if you possess it, it is a sure way to gain her trust. Honesty is the only way to gain her trust. Be honest and true to her, be open and genuine about your future plans and desires. Give her your honest opinion when she has made a mistake. If you feel she is wrong, let her know that she is wrong. Honesty builds trust. 17. Be romantic. The secret to keeping the spark alive in any relationship is by working on the romance. Being a romantic around the woman of your dreams conveys a lot about you. You send a message to her that you are an affectionate, thoughtful, adorable, and lovable human being. Romance is a way of kindling love if you want to win her over. It is a way of bonding with the one you love. Romance brings you and your girl closer. Being a romantic makes you desirable by the love of your life. Take her out on great dates that she would have never expected. Keep the element of surprise mandatory. Make her feel your love through your actions. Chances are the love of your life is already in love with you.